Hi, I am Tiffany Cade. I own Deep Rooted Organics. We are a certified organic vegetable farm 3 miles east of Westby. We are just starting our 8th season. We specialize in growing certified organic tomatoes. In the spring, we have a garden center where we grow a lot of annual perennial vegetable and herb seedling plants. We grow a lot of those to sell for the Viroqua Food Co+op. Primarily, we specialize in tomatoes. We also grow microgreens. So we harvest about 35,000 pounds of tomatoes annually, which is all distributed within 60 miles of our farm. Right now we grow just over 45 different varieties of tomatoes, ranging from cherry tomatoes, slicing tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes, kind of a little bit of everything in between. One of our larger accounts that we work with is the Viroqua Food Co+op. And they're having our product tomatoes middle of May through November, and then they also do carry our microgreens year-round. The Viroqua Food Co+op has been amazing to work with. We've been the recipient of 2 of their microloan programs. So the first one, we were able to upgrade our irrigation system. The second loan that we received was for a walk-in cooler, which definitely is much better than what we were using before. Back in 2012, my stepfather, Brian Nelson of Ski Hill Greenhouses, had a sudden farm accident, which kind of brought us back to the area just to kind of help out friends and family. During that time, we kind of took over the farm, and it wasn't necessarily our plan to stay here and farm, but 8 years later, here we are. It's the middle of June, and we have over 10,000 pounds already harvested. With being a farmer, you wear like a lot of different hats. So not only are we out in the fields weeding and harvesting the product, we're also doing the marketing, the deliveries, the admin. There's kind of a lot that goes into that. I guess one thing that we are extremely proud of is just having a quality, fresh product. So we're harvesting the tomatoes twice a week, so they are at the peak of ripeness. It's amazing to see a customer walk into the grocery store and smell the tomato, knowing that it was picked, less than 12 hours ago. So that's pretty amazing that not only can we pick the product one day, next day it's on the shelves and someone's at home enjoying it. Our crew is myself and then my partner Jimmy, so we do a lot of the day-to-day tasks on the farm. And then we also have seasonal employees, so right now we have 5, 3 of which have been with us for over 4. Caleb's been with us for 5 years, so it's been really nice to have a crew that's wanting to stick around and has believed in our farm and our mission. We also have a farm share program, which is essentially a CSA. However, this allows members the flexibility to pick up weekly and the products that they want. We don't want people to be wasting food, so if you don't like kale, you don't have to have kale in your box. So you can kind of order accordingly. It was interesting, 2020, the year of COVID, with our garden center, we saw a lot of people that were maybe gardening for the first time come out and get vegetable and herb seedlings. Now in 2021, a lot of those people are coming back and continuing to garden, so I think that was a huge thing, for 2020. Labor Day weekend, we have a kind of just end of season celebration called Tasty Tomato Festival. So it's really just a fun end of season celebration. We have a tomato tasting with over 50 varieties of tomatoes that you're able to go through and sample, live music, taco bar, which utilizes a lot of the amazing products that are grown and produced in this area. Yeah, it's a really fun festival. Our market is basically Viroqua, so we have the Viroqua Food Co+op, Driftless Cafe, Wonder State. We also do the Saturday market downtown Viroqua. And then in La Crosse, we work with a bunch of different farm-to-table restaurants, the Charmant, Love Child, La Crosse Distilling, Apothic, the list goes on. But then you can also purchase them at the People's Food Co+op in downtown La Crosse. So we do have a website, deeprootedorganics.com. We're also on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Deep Rooted Organics. We also have an online farm store, so you're able to order in advance and then pick up or request delivery for our delivery days twice a week.